Jamie Piper, and I'm the new manager of the Maesteg Construction Centre of Excellence, and I'd like to welcome you to our new facility, fully refurbed and ready for the students for the Maesteg and the surrounding areas.
It's great to be back in Maesteg Construction Centre of Excellence. It's a partnership we've had for many, many years in Nantavellon and Caira and around the Maesteg area, and it's so good to see the centre back open. It's so good to see students back in here using the centre at a time when the construction industry is desperate for skilled workers.
We've got a fully equipped centre here with everything we need for the bricklayers. We're going to start with carpentry. We've got a fully interactive whiteboard there, and then upstairs then we've got a fully furnished computer room then with all the state-of-the-art equipment then for the students to do their essential skills and maybe CSCS cards as well. We've got a fully furnished classroom for teaching with an interactive whiteboard there upstairs as well.
School isn't for everybody. I think we know that, and for too long perhaps that has been the case. This offers people an opportunity at a vocational course. This Centre of Excellence is based in a disadvantaged area of Maesteg, so what it will bring is extra tradespeople to the local area. I think during lockdown most people will realise that you can't get a tradesperson for love nor money. This is definitely the beginning of something fantastic in the Llyn Valley, and a vision and an opportunity for our young people as well.
So then if you come and study with us then you can pick any trade, you can try different trades out, you can go down a route of bricklaying, carpentry, plastering, tiling and painting. We offer the groundworks as well, which is civil engineering, which will accompany then brickwork, so you can have a taste of anything then. So it'll be a fantastic opportunity for anyone who wants to come into the construction industry. So you can apply now to join the Maesteg Construction Centre of Excellence.